So my name is Avi Golan, and I'm the GM and Vice President of Intuit Partner Platform, and I'm your guy after lunch, so that's my challenge today, trying to really get you focused on this presentation. Hopefully you get some coffee, and you're able to really focus on a quick 7 minutes and 42 seconds that I'm going to spend with you today. So most of you know Intuit through our products. How many people are really using Intuit product? TurboTax, Quicken, Mint. Everybody tried the latest Mint feature of get your financial scores. You can log into Mint today and really get a nice view of that. But you all know TurboTax very well. You know Quicken and Mint, but also QuickBooks. 50 million customers we have. That's a huge and tremendous opportunity that we all have that I want to share with you today. $4.5 billion of revenue, 2014. The market share is enormous. 60% of consumer tax, 78% of personal finance, and 89% for small business. I want to focus today, many of you are developing solutions for consumers. That's a very crowded market. It's a big market, but very crowded. I want to speak with you for a few minutes about the opportunity in the small business. An opportunity that we feel that you can leverage the Intuit platform to take you to the next level and will allow you to develop solution to an untapped market or early stage tapped market. Let's speak about the opportunity for a second. 29 million businesses in the US. 29 million small businesses in the US. We only serve 5 million of them. 600 million small businesses globally. We only serve 1% of these global small businesses. And our QuickBooks Commerce, Commerce serve 2 trillion commerce through QuickBooks. We serve less than 1% of that. With over 1 million subscribed, which is the biggest small business community in the world through Intuit, and only 300 apps, many apps to come to the platform, there is among us opportunities for many developers to come to the platform and develop on that. Let me share with you one more data source. Only 37% are on the cloud today. But our research shows that by 2020, 80% of small businesses in the US will be on the cloud. And that's an enormous opportunity for many that are developing online and mobile solutions to come and join our platform. Part of the strategy that Intuit is planning to take and is taking for the last couple of years, and now we're expanding it very significantly, is build a network of third-party application is a core element of our strategy. If you use our product, TurboTax, QuickBooks Online, Quicken, Mint, in any of our product, you know how much we invest in giving amazing user experience. We're using data to delight customers. Customer is the first thing that we think about all the time when it talks to product experience and data that we want to share with them. But we also focus on enabling network contribution of users and developers and third parties and platform to contribute to what we call the operating system behind small business success and be the nation taxes. The way that we're doing it today is by exposing 2 types of APIs. The Customer Aggregation Account Data API gives you an access to almost 19,000 financial institutions in the US and Canada. We aggregate and categorize financial and transactional data. It's the same aggregation engines that's used by Mint, and it's mobile ready and highly scalable. So that's the consumer side, but also small business capability that you can serve through financial institutions. The QuickBooks API gives you access to almost 700,000 QuickBooks Online customers. And I'm not talking about desktop because I'm focusing today on online only. 75,000 accountant and pro accountants are recommending apps on our platform. That's our network that we're creating to accountant on our platform. We have extensive API to access to employee data, money in, money out, reporting, and so on. We have available developers from small businesses and third-party developers. And we feature App Store with the many, many apps on the consumer side, on the app side, in order to make it discoverable by many of our small businesses. Not only to our App Store, but also to our in-product experience. We expose capabilities to users that are already using our products. We thought about exposing a few things today, but we're coming up next month with an amazing conference. That's the biggest Intuit conference at any time we are hosting in San Jose. On October 22nd, we're going to unveil a lot of technology advantages that we bring into QuickBooks Online and the QuickBooks platform. Robust QuickBooks Online platform with an amazing developer experience, completely changed. If you used IPP, Intuit Partner Platform today, you'll be amazed how easy it's going to be if you after the new releases. Global access to our App Store, to many, many different sites in the world, and accessing many customers around the globe, and simple to develop an application on our platform to amazing tools and capabilities. On October 22nd, that's the event, but we're starting on October 20 and 21st with a hackathon. $100,000 of prizes for developers that come to develop on our platform. It's $2,000 an hour. When did you make $2,000 an hour? That's an opportunity to come and make in 2 days. That's an enormous opportunity to meet a lot of developers, a lot of small businesses, thousands of small businesses, and accountants, and see amazing presenters coming and talking about our opportunity. What I want to also get you exposed to you is to attend our workshop tomorrow at 1 o'clock. We'll talk a little bit more about our platform capabilities, our network, the ways you can actually develop, and I hope to see you on October 22nd. One thing I want to expose today, if you commit to register today to the hackathon and the conference, there is a 75% discount code on our booth today and tomorrow. Come on, use this opportunity to leverage this, and thank you for the time.